Hello friends, in this problem you have to find ordered pairs of xy that satisfy this equation. So question says, how many ordered pairs xy satisfy this given equation? And the equation is you have x divided by 12 and this is equals to 12 divided by y. And it is also given that x and y are integers. So how will you solve this problem? This kind of problem is generally solved by considering the various prime factors. So let us try to solve using that method. So what we can do is we can first cross multiply. So if you multiply cross, you will have x by is equals to 12 into 12. And 12 into 12 is nothing but 144. Now let us find factors of 144. So 144, and let me write something like this. So you can divide by 2, so this will be 72. You can further divide by 2, 36, divide by 2, 18, divide by 2, 9. Now you can divide by 3, so this will be 3. So basically 144 can be written as, how many times 2? You have 4 times 2 and 3 2 times. So 2 raised to the power 4 times 3 raised to the power 2. So now I can write x by is equals to 144, which is equals to 2 raised to the power 4 times 3 raised to the power 2. And 2 and 3 in this case is a prime numbers. Now I will use one result here. If you have something like this, a raised to the power alpha, b raised to the power beta, c raised to the power gamma, something like this goes on, and a, b, c are prime factors. And in this case you can say a, b, c are prime factors. So let us say if I have a number n, and this number can be written as a raised to power alpha times b raised to power beta times c raised to power gamma, where a, b, c are prime numbers. Then total number of factor of n, this can be written as alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1 times gamma plus 1. So I can say total number of factors of n, this will be alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1 times gamma plus 1, and if you have more prime factor, then you have to include that also. To illustrate, let's take an example. So I will take an example of 12. Now 12, what are the factors of 12? You can write 2 into 2, 4 into 3, so that is basically 2 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 1. So in this case, a is 2, b is 3, alpha is 2 and beta is 1. So if you use this formula, number of factor of 12, number of factors of 12, this will be how many? So we will have alpha plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 times beta plus 1, that is 3 times 2, so we will have 6 factor. What are these 6 factors? So let me write here. So you can have 12, you can have 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 6 into 2 and 12 into 1. So you will have 6 factor in this case. So you will have basically 6 factor. Now if you also consider the negative numbers, in that case you can have 6 more factors. If you consider the negative also, then in that case we'll have minus 1 times minus 12, minus 2 times minus 6. So this will be minus 2 times minus 6, and then minus 3 times minus 4. Similarly, minus 4 times minus 3, minus 6 times minus 2, and minus 12 times minus 1. So if you consider negative also, then you will have 6 more factor. So 6 factor that is coming from negative side. Now let us come to our problem. So we have to find number of factors of x by, and x by can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 times 3 raised to the power 2. So using the same concept that we just discussed, now we can write that is number of factors of x by, number of factors of x by, this will be alpha plus 1, and in this case alpha is 4 and beta is 2. So you will have 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 5 times 3, that is 15 factors. But in the question it is said that x by integer, it is nothing said like it's a positive integer or negative integer. It is simply said that it is integers. This means I have to also consider the negative factors. So 15 is coming from positive factors and you will have 15 negative factors. So total of 30 factors you will have in this problem. So how many factors we have? We have 30, 15 from positive side and 15 from negative side. So total of 30 factors you will have in this problem. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video with more exciting problems. Thank you.